One day in Doyley Woods, poor Arthur the caterpillar was feeling down in the mouth. Unfortunately, the mouth he was down in was not his. It belonged to that bird brain called Twit. Twit! Oh, Arthur! Trembled Mavis Cruet the fairy. I didn't know you cared. Apologies for dropping in so ungentlemanly like, Maeve, but I've just been lunched at by a big bird. Don't you mean lunged at, Arthur? I know what I mean, Maeve.
Hello,
said the Moog.
are you two getting married?
Twit. That morning, the wicked witch Evil Edna had cast a dastardly hunger spell on Twit to make him eat Arthur. We'd all be very grateful if you'd just stop, dear. You're making Arthur nervous. Twit, there's no reasoning with him. We'll just have to box clever, Maeve.
Are we going to put him in a box and post him to Australia?
No, I've got a much better idea. It's cold, isn't it, everyone?
Intuitively, now is the winter of our discontent.
And birds fly south in winter. I say, look, it's snowing. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
I love snow, especially when it melts on my tongue. Ooh, this snow tastes like soap.
Off to the sun with you, Twit. I hear the cow of beer is really roasting at this time of year. You can come out now, Arthur. Has he gone? For the moment. But he'll be back, and when he does, we'd better have a plan. The Moog bravely offered to take Arthur's place. But his caterpillar impersonation was rubbish. Wah! So Mavis disguised Arthur so that Twit wouldn't recognize him.
Hoopla! Arthur? Where's Arthur gone? Arthur? Arthur?
It might fool the Moog, but the Twit will never go for it. You don't think it makes me look more intelligent?
More intelligent than a carrot, yes.
Oh. There's nothing else for it. We're going to have to camouflage you. And so, using Mavis's makeup, they painted Arthur all the colours of the forest. Phew, I'm exhausted, Arthur. Arthur, where are you? You're sitting on me, Maeve. Oops, sorry.
At least that proves it works.
Rather too well, in fact, because Arthur wasn't seen again for another month, until he fell into a puddle.
You know what you are, don't you?
A twit?
You can say that again.